I get more.
I'm going to keep this pool here. I'm going to sit out here all by myself every day.
That's not cool. Not cool, man.
Not cool, man.
Not cool. Not cool, man. You know what? No. I'm leapfrog. Leapfrog, leapfrog, leapfrog.
Dove to your toes.
Leapfrog.
When she moves, the ripples make him dive.
What?
He's at your feet.
What?
He wants your toes. Look at him. He wants your toes.
You're not going to get my toes, buddy.
He's going to go in the cup. Oh, he missed it.
Watch.
Look at, he dove real deep. Look, oh, he's on the bottom.
Wait, let me get the cup out.
He's the cutest little guy. Oh, he's doing backflips. Look at. Backflips.
He
He'll
swims.
make waves and he'll dive. He'll make waves, he dives. See, look, he went way, oh look. Backflips. Come on, buddy.
Do backflips. Making waves wherever we go. Everybody wants to love.
There he goes. He's doing backflips. Maybe next year I'll get one of those above the ground big pools.